Hello guys! Magandang buhay! Ayan, so ako po ulit si Vincenz. Ayan, so for today's video guys, ang isa-share ko po sa inyo is tungkol about naman po sa isang klaseng seed. Again, it's a seed na napakarami pong benefits, health benefits na makukuha natin dito pag sinama po natin siya sa ating diet or sa ating iniinom. Ayan, or even some puddings or some sweets, dessert, ayan. So, ayan. So, without further ado, let's break the ice and keep on learning. Ayan. So, I'm talking about this chia seed. Ayan. So, sino po ba ang naka-try ng uminom or naka-try ng i-add ang chia seed sa kanilang water? Ayan. So, ako guys, sinasama ko po sa water ko yung chia seed and sometimes nilalagyan ko rin po siya ng lemon, just a thin slice of lemon, and also mas maganda rin po na merong kasamang cucumber, a few slices of cucumber is napakaganda, and mas maganda po lalo kung sasamahan nyo pa po ng peppermint. Ayan, mas ano siya, pang-detox na talaga siya. Ayan. So, sinasama ko po to whenever I am doing some water detox therapy. Ayan. Pag gusto ko nang mag-therapy ng ang gamit ko lang is water, or water detox, I mean, gusto ko mag-detox using the water. Ayan. Kasi meron din akong iniinom na Chance Lipid Metabolic Tea for my detoxification. Ayan. So, pang-cleansing din po kasi yon yung Chance Lipid Metabolic Tea. Yeah, later, I will gonna talk about that. But first of all, I am going back to our topic. Ayan. Ito po yung ating chia seed. Ayan. So, ano-ano nga po ba yung health benefits na makukuha natin sa pag-inom or dito sa chia seed na to? First of all, what is the chia seed? Chia seed provides benefits such as supporting heart health. Ano ba? Yan. Heart health. Yan. Aiding digestion and managing blood sugar levels due to their high fiber. Napakataas po kasi ng fiber content ng chia seed. Ayan. Omega-3 fatty acid and antioxidant content. They are also a good source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which support bone health. Their ability to form a gel in the stomach can promote a feeling of fullness and help with weight management. Ayan, kasi guys, itong chia seed na to, once na nilagay natin siya sa water, no, kung napapansin nyo, nag-expand, diba? Nagiging parang sago pearl. Ayan. Pero ang liliit lang nila pagka dry sila. Ay, pakita ko ng konti. Okay. So tiny. Like mustard seed. Ayan. Naglaglagan na. Okay. So tiny. Ayan guys. Hindi talaga sila makikita. Ayan, liliit eh. Yun, no? Sobrang liliit. Ayan, so balik ko na siya. Ayan. So, napakaliliit nila. Pero once na nilagay po natin sila sa tubig, nag-expand. Ayan. So, digestive and weight management benefit because napakataas nga nito sa fiber. High in fiber content, chia seeds chia seeds are rich in fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and can help prevent constipation. Ayan, sa mga constipated person, napakaganda po itong chia seed na to. Mababawasan po yung pagiging constipated ninyo kasi mataas nga po ang fiber content ng chia seed. Ayan. Promote fullness. Siyempre, dahil nag-e-expand ito sa ating tiyan, sa ating stomach, so makakaramdam po tayo ng pagiging busog. Ayan. Fullness. Ayan. So, the fiber in chia seeds form a gel when wet, which can increase fullness and reduce appetite, aiding in weight management. Ayan. So, kung napapansin nyo, unti-unti po pumapayat naman lola nyo. Ayan. Actually, yes, nagda-diet din ako kasi nga, nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, OMG, ang sarap kasi kumain sa Pilipinas, maalsa ang bigas. Ayan. So, for support gut health, they provide nourishment of beneficial gut bacteria. Ayan. Heart and bone health benefits, rich in omega 3. Yan. Chia seeds are an excellent source of alpha-linoleic acid or ALA on omega-3 fatty acid that support brain function and heart health. Yan. Lower cholesterol. The soluble fiber can lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, and blood pressure. So, nilo-lower down niya yung LDL natin and the blood pressure. Ayan, support bone health. They are rich in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are essential for maintaining strong bones. Ayan. Other benefits. Packed with antioxidant. Chia seed contain antioxidants that protect the body from free radicals and oxidative damage. Ayan. Blood sugar control. And the high fiber content can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for those with diabetes or at risk for it. Ayan. How to incorporate them? Add to smoothies, yogurt, and salad. Actually, sa Facebook ko po, meron po ako dong shinare na chia seed pudding. Yan. So, please follow nyo po or search nyo po yung video na yon. So, tinuro ko po doon, nilagyan ko siya ng mga nuts like walnuts and some dry fruits and dried berries. Ayun. So, watch nyo yun, guys. Ayan, okay. So, make chia seed pudding. Since they are fiber rich, it's best to introduce them to your diet gradually to avoid digestive discomfort. So, wag din naman wag naman pong sobra kasi sabi nga natin lahat ng sobra hindi maganda. Ayan. So, in moderation po gamitin natin o uminom po tayo ng chia seed water. Ayan. So, in moderation, guys. Ayan. Pero po, talaga po ito, ina-advise ko din to sa mga gustong maging maayos. Makakatulong nga kasi ito sa sa mga constipated person at saka sa mga diabetic. So, this one is always sinasabi ko rin or ina-add ko po doon sa mga advice ko, doon sa mga clients ko na merong ganong health imbalances cases. Ayan. So, kung nag-benefit po kayo sa video na to, paki-heart, and comment na rin po kayo, guys. And share, please. Ayan. So, maraming salamat po. Ako po ulit si Vincenz. To God be all the glory.